Mom, what are you doing?
I'm just sitting here on Facebook. Why?
Hey, can you get off Facebook for a little bit? We got to finish that snippet for Conversations of a Mother and Daughter.
Now, wait a minute. You know, this is how I relax.
Okay, you gonna have time to relax? Can you just log off for like 5 minutes, please?
Okay, child, what do you want?
Now, did you pray about it?
Yeah, I did. I really feel like that God wants us to do this.
Yay!
Okay, well, I got a whole lot of ideas now. I think we should...
Okay, hold on. Before you go off on that little tangent, let's talk about, you said you feel like God wants you to do it. Let's talk about exactly what God has given me, and then let's kind of combine our visions. How about that?
Well, you know, we never have sang together. I always had visions of us singing together.
Mama, wait a minute. It's not that kind of show. We're not going to be singing, and it's not a performance. More or less, this is going to be a conversation between me and you. So we're going to get to talk about our ministry endeavors together, separately, and then what I did as a PK, what you did as a minister, that kind of deal.
Well, you know, in high school, I did some good creative writing.
What, Mama, it's not the Vashawn and Angie show. This is Conversations of a Mother and Daughter. So what we're going to do is converse about what we did in ministry, the struggles, things that most people don't like talking about, too.
And we got to tell everything?
Well, I mean, you know, I ain't going to tell everybody all my business. Now, I don't play like that, but I feel like through our transparency, a lot of people will be free.
So who is our target audience?
Well, I really feel like pretty much ministry kids are going to really benefit from the PK part, because I have a view of ministry that most people don't like to talk about. PKs really go through a lot, but we can't talk because of the weight of our parents' mantle. So oftentimes we suffer in silence. So I know that's one demographic. And I think the next one will be for you, for ministers, and then how you had to minister and deal with a PK that was so rebellious. I think that'll be a good angle to go from too.
Yeah, I think I would. I do have something to say to parents, because it's very hard to parent children that you know God has a call on. So that would be a very interesting perspective.
Indeed. So are you excited about this now?
I don't know. I guess I can do it. I just have to think about what I want to say.
Well, again, this is not going to be something scripted. We're going to have our show on Friday nights, and it's going to be a broadcast where people can listen in. They can also listen in via the internet as well. So this will be just a very laid-back kind of show. We'll take questions, answers, you know, just kind of flow.
Okay. I said I was going to do it. Now, can I get back to Facebook now?
Fine, Mama. Here. Thank you for at least considering it. I'm very excited about this, and I can't wait to get started.
Okay, bye, baby.
Love you.